So this is exactly how to use your Mac as a display for your gaming console. So you can see I have my PlayStation 5 right here, and I'm going to show you exactly how I can display it on my Mac here. So firstly, go into Google and type OBS, and then go to the official OBS website right here, and then get it for Mac right here. So make sure that you get this specific software right here if you don't have it already. Now the second step is going to be for you to get a game capture or a video capture card here, as you can see. So this one right here, I was able to find a really cheap one, or relatively cheap one, that actually works really good as well. So what I have to do now is that I'm going to show you how it works. So we're going to take the HDMI cable here, and one of the ends needs to go to your PlayStation 5 right here, and the other end, or obviously to your console, not just PlayStation 5. So it can be almost any console. I think it works on Xbox, on PlayStation 5, 4, Nintendo Switch 1 and 2 as well, just so you know. And then I'm going to plug it in here. And after I've done so, I'm just gonna go to the OBS that I got before. So we're going to open up OBS now. I'm just gonna show you how it's done. I'm just gonna zoom in here a little bit so you can see. So you can see it's already actually showing me the screen now, but what you can do if you don't have it, I'm actually going to remove this and show you exactly how to set everything up from the get-go. So firstly, click on the plus symbol right here, enter a scene, and then click on the plus symbol here, and then click on video capture device, and then click on OK. And then on device here, choose your game capture card here, and then click on OK. Then right click, click on open source projector, and right here, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna grab my controller and show you that it actually works without any lag here whatsoever. So I'm just gonna go into my profile here, and you can see it works perfect. Basically similar to how it would if I was connected to my monitor or my TV. You can see works without any lag whatsoever here for me. And by the way, if you want to be able to get that specific capture card right here that I have left a link for it down below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, so if you purchase through it, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you though, just so you know. And basically that is exactly how to do this.